Cow dung lights up village. I know it sounds unbelievable, but this revolutionary idea is actually happening right now in the Gambia, a small nation with a big vision. A company called Fortis Invicta has built Africa's first integrated circular economy hub, a groundbreaking model for sustainability. It ingeniously transforms cow dung and other agricultural waste into clean electricity, powerful soil enhancers, and even durable building materials. We're talking about turning literal waste into wealth, creating value from resources that were previously discarded. This single initiative is creating jobs for youth and women, reducing post-harvest losses by 30%, and drastically cutting dependence on expensive imported fossil fuels. And the best part? They use 100% of the waste stream in a zero-waste process. Absolutely nothing gets thrown away. What started as humble cow dung is now lighting homes, enriching soil for better crops, and building a truly sustainable future for the community. This is how you solve multiple complex problems with one brilliant, circular solution.